This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Tammy Druckenmiller. Move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-half bath townhome in Batchelor Heights. Vinyl plank flooring throughout the main level. The bedrooms, full baths and laundry are on the upper level. All kitchen appliances included, along with the washer and dryer. New roof, water heater, HVAC, refrigerator, range, microwave and flooring in 2019. Dishwasher new in 2020. All big ticket items taken care of for the next homeowner. The HOA covers mowing, mulching, street lamps, weekly trash and recycling. Also includes access to community pool with a clubhouse. Great location, close to schools, shopping, and the soon-to-be new branch of the Monroe County Public Library. Close access to I-69 and walking trail. For more information